Matakasini ke santri jumang aja besar menterang bakal jela konas ke sangma oleh jurib ya jinya ke jingte ke tura medical college hatura West Hills habuk kelen ha jaga basna ini hospital doktor kondal ong ba lakemen scam ya jingte in pendem atau stem bat ke jing hikai ini ke jing sedang ya kelas kan sedang kan long lasim snem ke jingte ga ya kumba prop ho persen ai bat ke jing ya kam kalong ga ba ihun kumba thu kondal ong ba ka thong ka soka pan sedang kelas kan long lasim snem bat ke ne ke jing wan jurib kalong ban pe ke jing long jing man bat ke jing ya jong kikam ong bak soka kan terang bat ke bol company Henry ya jong tra ya hospital kan dai hak soka bar company kan supenia ya hospital wal kemen ba kan ke ceka puli doktor kan a ke jing bento yi samla ke jela ondala dem
likewise yeah, teaching faculty should be there. Demonstration.
नहीं तो डिजाइन में पहले से होगा ना ये
Sir, we will realign a bit here and there.
assistant professor
Yeah. Library is there. Oh, library, yes, sorry, yeah, library. This is how it should be actually, in the old style as per MCI norms. So there are 4 classrooms, each of 125 as per the old MSR. It's about 125. Easily it can take more than 200. So there are 4 classrooms. See the size of the classrooms.
Yeah.
Can you see that? There are 4 of them.
Can we go up there?
Yes, we'll go there. We'll go there. Just to give an idea, sir. So this is the main building, and we have forensics, anatomy, like that. We have all the departments. Apathy explained.
So we are here in the construction site of the Tura Medical College, and as per the reports given by the team working here, close to 80% of the physical work, the civil work is done, and the work is going on at a satisfactory pace, and we do expect that within this calendar year we should be able to complete the structure as well as major part of the interiors, because our target is to start the Tura Medical College in the next academic year, which is 2026 September, and for that also we are process to select different partners is also under process, and so based on that target I have come to review the working out here. We need to pick up the pace a bit, and I'm sure that we'll be able to meet the targets. As mentioned earlier, we are in the process of working towards getting a partnership to run the management of this hospital. The ownership of the hospital will remain with the government. The functioning of the civil hospital will be completely independent and running with the government, in the control of the government. And the partners who come in will mainly be only for the process of managing the overall medical college. So it's in that kind of model that we want to move forward, and majority of the seats also in the hospital in this particular medical college will also be kept with the government, so that we can give it to the students of our state. So this is the status of this project, and we hope that things will move in a positive direction and we'll be able to meet the deadlines.